कारण फाटली 2.5-3 महिन्याचे कोड ऑफ कंडक्टा नंतर सगळी डिपार्टमेंटां सगळी हल्लेली स्ट्रक्चरली. कोणाक थंय इलेक्शन कमिशनान येल्लो, कोणाक आनीक खंय येल्लो. त्यामुळे ते सगळी रिकवरी करपाक म्हाका दिसता एप्रील मे म्हयन्याचे मध्य जातलो. सेकेंडली खूब स्टाफ वो लिवेर गेला ऑलरेडी. वर्च्युअली एवरी डिपार्टमेंट एज अ मेजर लीव सँक्शन्स बिकॉज तांची उरलेल्यो पयली लीव. प्लस मे म्हयन्यान घेतले जर तूं एंडाक जाल्यार वोटिंगूय कमी जावपाची शक्यता. सगळे जाण घरा वेकेशनाक वतात. त्यामुळे सगळी तयारी करप आनी हाजे दृश्टीन 25 जून हो आमी दीस थरयल्लो आहा. नाव द प्रोसेस रिवर्स प्रोसेस डेट्स केन्ना नोटिफिकेशन काडूंक जाय. वी हॅव ऑल्सो रिड्यूस द कॅनवसिंग पिरियड फॉर 10 days. सो कॅनवसिंग इज नाव ओनली फॉर 10 days बिकॉज 10 दीस हे पंचायत एलेक्शन वॉर्डाक खूब जाले. त्यामुळे कोड तसो सादारण 20-22 दीस उरतलो. देर आर पॉयंट्स गिवन टू वेरियस केसीस. ओनली ड्रंक driving under influence of alcohol is the DSW or what they call it. DIW is the offence where your license is suspended immediately. But for proving that you are drunk, you require balloons. So that's why I have fast-tracked it, asked them to put up the proposal, go for DGST rate contract and acquire all these equipments immediately. Maybe a month or two will require to get the equipments. That it is not drinking alone, it is rash driving otherwise also. To some extent, I feel that the education of safe driving does not exist. We get licenses, but we don't have that concept of safe driving. That is because of enforcement is weak. But I need some time to ensure that the enforcement comes in a shape and a proper position. Helmet is a protective. If you wear helmet, at least 29 cases, the death would not have taken place. The government should enforce. Government should ensure that road safety, everything should come into picture. It is ultimate primary responsibility lies with the driver. So stress that point also. Please drive carefully, value your life. That is a message also needs to go.